Hey, I'm Tony King with Zerion, and I'm going to give you another Epicor Eclipse tip. Today's tip is over bypassing the RF gun for items that either the customers pull themselves from the showroom or counter area, or you do it. So maybe an example would be like a screwdriver or a hammer or some glue, something at the counter that they would grab and just bring to you. You don't want to necessarily pull that from the RF gun, so I'm going to show you how to key that today. I'll start with eTerm and open a sales order. I'm going to enter a customer and I'm going to stop on the body screen. Now in this example, I'm going to use two items. The first item, I'm just going to put it on the order just as you would normally. This item is going to go to an RF gun. The second item, I'm going to do a 1, comma, followed by the letter of the zone that I want to pick the item from, 1, comma, C. And you'll see here that it says allocated from zone C. That's how I'll know that that item is not going to go to the RF gun, and I can pull it manually for the customer without having to pull it with an RF gun. Now let's do the same process in solar. It's the same process. I'm going to enter in an order, and I'm going to stop on the body screen. In the quantity field, this first item, I'm going to make it an RF pick, so I'm going to just type in the item, hit enter, go down to the second line item. I'm going to do a 1, comma, followed by the zone, which in this case is C for counter. And you'll notice here that it says allocated from zone C. I now know that that item is not going to go to an RF gun, and I can just pull it for the customer without using a gun. Thanks for watching those tips. I can't tell you how useful these two have been for me over the years in all the different RF installs that I've seen and been involved in. There are just times when items just don't need to be pulled in the RF gun. And it's not that I want to exclude the entire counter zone or the entire wire zone. I just want to be able to, at random, one at a time, select the items that I want to just hand pull or pick by myself. And I can do that easily by just using the 1, comma and then the zone letter that you have for zone maintenance for that particular group of products. So hope that's really, really helpful to you. It's not something that you have to set up prior. It's just something that you can use ad hoc as needed for every single user.